If you've been staring at your phone thinking there's got to be something fun going on this week, well, good news, there is. We've got big time sports, Broadway level theater, an event where you can get some of your broken stuff fixed. You might be able to get slimed, and you're definitely going to be eating a heart stopping quantity of cheese.
You okay, Dad?
Hey, he's just having a heart attack.
I'm Walt The Realtor with Murney Associates, and I'm already wearing my cheese eating clothes, so let's go. All right, we're going to get started this week with one for you basketball fans out there. The Bass Pro Tournament of Champions is back in town, and this is kind of a big deal. It's one of the most respected high school basketball tournaments in the entire country, bringing in teams from all over the United States to compete. It's a showcase for the nation's most talented young athletes and future stars. And the action runs January 15th through the 17th at Great Southern Bank Arena right here in Springfield. Now, because this tournament's been around for decades and has historically drawn some pretty huge crowds, it's become something of an unofficial winter sports weekend for Springfield. You'll see fast-paced games, highlight-worthy plays, and maybe even catch a glimpse of a future NBA star long before they hit the big leagues. In the past, the tournament has hosted a number of future stars, including Alonzo Mourning, Jason Tatum, John Wall, Darius Garland, and Lamar Odom. For more information about the tournament, visit BassProTofCSPS.com. Tickets range from $23 to $28 for single-day tickets, fees included, and you can get those tickets at MissouriStateTix.com. But the ticketing fees are steep, so if you'd like to save $10 or so, yes, you heard me right, go get those tickets in person at the box office. If you got something that's broken but you just can't bring yourself to throw it away, so basically if you're a human, then this might be for you. The Fix-It Fair is happening Saturday, January 17th from 12 to 4 p.m. at the Midtown Carnegie Branch Library. That's at Jefferson and Central, right across the road from Central High School. Instead of tossing something that's kind of worn out or just not working right, bring it to the Fix-It Fair, where you'll find a group of volunteers on hand to help people fix their stuff. So I hope you heard how I said that just now. They're not there to fix it for you. They're going to walk you through the process. So if it's fixable, it'll get fixed, and you'll know how to fix it yourself next time. And what we're talking about here is stuff that you can carry in yourself. Clothes, small appliances, bikes, electronics, that kind of stuff. So not refrigerators, not cars, just little stuff. The local volunteers all know what they're doing, and they're there to help you save money, reduce waste, and keep stuff out of the landfill. And it's free, by the way. But it is sponsored by the Community Partnership of the Ozarks, which is a local nonprofit that would be more than happy to accept a donation, I'm sure. If you'd like more information about this event and the other stuff that the CPO does for the community, visit cpozarks.org.
Let's all go to the lobby.
Before we move on, if you like this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. And if you have a moment, leave a comment about which event you're most interested in. All those actions train the YouTube algorithm to show my videos to more people. Thanks in advance for the help. And while you're on my channel, you'll also find some real estate videos that answer the questions I've been asked by my clients. So if you've been thinking about buying or selling a house, be sure to check that out as well. This is still Springfield, so of course there has to be some live theater on the list, right? The Tony Award-winning musical comedy The Music Man is about to hit the stage January 12th through the 14th at the Juanita K. Hammons Center for the Performing Arts on the Missouri State campus. And for what it's worth, it's the national touring company that's coming to town. The story follows fast-talking traveling salesman Harold Hill, who rolls into small-town River City claiming he can organize a boys band. Not that kind. Even if you've never seen the play, you probably know the music, including 76 Trombones, Till There Was You, and Gary, Indiana. Gary, Indiana, Gary, Indiana, Gary, Indiana. I mean, you're probably familiar with some of that, right? Or am I just like really old and you don't have any idea what I'm talking about? Well, at any rate, tickets are on sale now through hammondshall.com, and they range from $56 to $104, fees included, but online ticketing fees are always steep when we're talking about Hammons Hall, like $20, no kidding. So you might want to go buy them in person at the box office. It's kind of like using a coupon. If you're curious about what might happen when you combine science, comedy, and chaos, then the Yuck Show is going to be right up your alley, especially if you have kids. This colorful, high-energy family show comes to the Aetos Center for the Performing Arts in Nixa on Sunday, January 18th, with 2 performances, one at 2 p.m. and another at 5 p.m. The Yuck Show isn't your typical stage performance. Think big visual demonstrations, quirky humor, and audience involvement where kids and adults alike get to participate, laugh, and maybe even get slimed if they're brave enough. It's designed to be entertaining and educational, turning things like experiments, games, and hands-on fun into a spectacle that's lively, loud, and perfect for families or anyone who likes to feel like they're part of the show. If that sounds like you, then this show is going to hit the sweet spot for you. Tickets are just $20 each, and you get them at aetoscenter.net, but don't drag your feet. This one's probably going to sell out. If your idea of a good time involves a lot of cheese without judgment or guilt,
Oh, God, just having a heart attack.
here you go. The 6th annual Missouri Mac and Cheese Fest is happening Saturday, January 17th from 11:30 to 2:30 at the University Plaza Convention Center right here in Springfield. This is a full-on mac and cheese competition and tasting event with local and regional restaurants serving up their best, cheesiest creations, from classic comfort food to some pretty creative twists. You show up hungry, sample as much as you want, and then you vote for your favorites. Some folks are traditionalists and they just won't vote for anything other than straight mac and cheese. Other folks, like me, we want some artistry. Throw in some brisket or some buffalo chicken. Come on, wow me. I had crab rangoon mac and cheese one time. It was crazy good. I hope somebody tries that this year. Advance tickets are $20 each, and there is a VIP option, and there'll be live music from the Loose Cannons. All proceeds benefit OACAC, which is the Ozarks Area Community Action Corporation, a local nonprofit focusing on combating local poverty. To get more information and to get your tickets, visit oac.ac. All right, Springfield, that's it for this week's lineup. I'm going to have to pass on the Yuck Show because I don't have any grandkids yet. The other 4 events all sound great to me, but I'm going to have to pick and choose. I've got an old KitchenAid mixer that's seen some better days, so the Fix-It Fair is probably on my list. And, cheese. So if you're out there, keep an eye open for me and be sure to say hi if you see me. And if these videos are a help to you, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment about which events you're most excited about. It's the best way to train YouTube to show these videos to more people. And be sure to check out my real estate videos as well. Thank you in advance. And if you or someone you know is thinking about buying or selling a home sometime this year, scan the QR code on your screen to visit walttherealtor.com. That's where you'll find all my contact information. You can call, text, or email me anytime. I'm always happy to help. I'm Walt the Realtor with Murney Associates right here in Springfield, Missouri. Have a fantastic week and be sure to enjoy some cheesy goodness. See you next week. Have fun.